How to tighten a mini USB port. You can see the shape. It is on this top edge, but there's a little tab that sticks out right down here. See if I can get it somewhere where you can see it. It's right in the middle. I'm going to pull it out just slightly, get on top of it, and lever it. You see it levering. You just want to pull it down a little bit so that it sticks out a little more than it used to. I'm going to do this other one. These are for helmet-to-helmet communications on our motorcycles. So I'm going to hook this one. And then I'm going to try to put it underneath that magnifying spot so that you can see it better. You just kind of lever it down. Lever it down a little, just like that. There we go. And I'm just going to do that a couple times. So that it's sticking down a little more. So I'll get a better, tighter fit. Alright, now this plugs in here. Looks like I pulled it down a little too far. So I'll push it back up in there a little bit. Give it another try. Oh yeah. That's a much better fit. It will not just fall off now. That's a good fit. These were falling off just going down the road, but we're good now. Just had to pry that out a little.